Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about United States Steel Corporation and the chart overall and the price action overall, as you can see in the past couple of months, has been quite steady, and it's been a consolidation, you can probably say. As you can see, year to date or the past 1 year, the stock has been consolidating, and there are some a decent amount of data which we have for this stock. The target estimate is 30.95, which is $4 or $5 higher, so around $3 or $4 higher from the current price action. Then we have the earnings, but it is due next year, in between 26th and 31st January 2022. Although the beta is 2.15, so it's a good amount of, you know, I would say the drift or the move swing is going to be decent when as far as the market is concerned. And more importantly, the P ratio, which is not very high. The 7 is not very, we can't consider 7 is very high, and this is one of the sectors. So steel is one of the sector which has performed from the lows of 2020, and right now if you can see for the past 6 month 8 month, it's been consolidating. So it's not like the trend is over, it is just taking its time before moving towards the upper end of the range. Now let's see why this stock is moving. So why United States steel stocks soared Friday? Okay, what has happened here is steel price is slightly high but remain up more than 75% year to date. That's fine. Domestic steel makers are making hay while the sun shines, and the United States steel is no exception after the company reported. Okay, so they have reported this quarter's already reported this quarter result. That's why you can see the next earning release in between January next year. So it has just released its press release. So I missed this fact. Beg your pardon for that. Now, after the company reported third quarter earning last night, so what has happened? It is just the fact that company announced net earnings of more than $2 billion, and U.S. Steel also told investors it has utilized the strong market to get its balance sheet in order, giving it the ability to direct capital back to shareholders. And the company announced a new $300 million stock repurchase program and a $0.05 per share quarterly dividend, which was raised from its previous nominal $0.01 per share level. So there are some good news as far as the earnings. Then the dividend has increased. Also, they have announced a stock repurchase program, which means the liquidity is going to decrease in the market, and you will see a probable boost as far as the stock is concerned. Also, the CEO David Burritt summed up the company's position in strong current steel environment. This way, we continue setting records, including record net earnings, uh, record EBITDA margin, record liquidity, record safety, and everything is on record. So, so he said everything is on record, and all the numbers will be a record number. So it's fine. Uh, okay. So with this backdrop, I mean, all in all, there are some very good news as far as the fundamentals are concerned. But as you can see, I have said it in the beginning of the video that the stock has been consolidating. So when the number is good and the market is not recognizing it, which means that going forward, sometime because we are looking at long term trend or long term data, sometime the stock will take its own time, or the entire sector will take its own time, and then you will see that suddenly there will be some very big moves, and everything that you have been waiting for will be just discounted, and you will get everything or very big moves in a quick amount of time. So for that you need to wait. But anyhow, if you're looking at the trend, this is a very positive trend, at least in a sense that it is moving from lower to higher end of the range. And you can see the stock has taken support at 20.79, and this will become your immediate support. The next support that we will get here is 17.44 below 20.79, and 17.44 will be the stop loss that you're going to look at. Now, looking forward or looking towards the upper end of the range, if the stock sustains above 20.79, which it is right now, then we will have our next target at 34.8. We have 46.46. Then we have 73.1, and because the demand is so high and everything will be a record number, so we have just read that, and it's by the CEO of the company. So obviously the number that we are looking for will be the record number. So all these levels here are possible then, and beyond 46 we have $73, then we have 129, and the big target that we are looking at going forward in the next couple of months or years will be 200, or 200 in between, 200 $210 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.